Okay, respiration in animals. Even plants respire, but here we will discuss about respiration in animals. Now, what is respiration? The process of breakdown of food in the cell. Okay, each cell makes food and it releases energy for us to move around, play around, use our energy. Only after energy is made, and to make this, we need to respire. Okay, we need to take in air and breathe it out, and this is called cellular respiration. When O2 is released, O2 is taken in, and energy is released from cells. Okay, there are two types of uh, respirations: aerobic and anaerobic. In the cell, the food, that is glucose, food in our body is stored in the form of glucose, is broken down into carbon dioxide and water. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, when you breathe in oxygen, that is called aerobic respiration. But when food can also be broken down without using oxygen, which is called anaerobic respiration. And if you see that this breathing, aerobic and anaerobic with oxygen, and anaerobic is without oxygen. See, if you see here, glucose, which is energy, in the presence of oxygen, which is called aerobic, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy is released. Okay, here glucose in the absence of oxygen, in the absence of oxygen. So anaerobic, alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. So these are the two equations showing how anaerobic and aerobic respiration goes on. So, and there is one important thing is that sometimes our muscles, although we as animals take in aerobic respiration, but sometimes what happens is our muscles, when they are used much, what they do is they respire anaerobically without oxygen. That is why they are stressed and we get a cramp from the muscle. Our muscle starts paining, it gets jammed, and then either we have a hot water bath or a massage, then that cramp is reduced. Now, what is breathing? Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, let's see. Close your nostril and mouth tightly and look at a watch. Sometimes some people can do up to 1 minute or even more, but you will see that we start getting stressed after some time because we need to take in oxygen for our blood. So breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide. And the process by which air is taken in through the nose is called inhalation. And when we throw out uh, carbon dioxide from the nose itself, that is called exhalation. Normally, a person inhales and exhales or respires about 15 to 18 times here in 1 minute. So that is called the breathing rate. And sometimes what happens is that a person needs extra energy. Say when he is breathing faster. Why does he breathe faster? Because either he is running or exercising, and because he needs more energy, which has to be supplied by our cells, it speeds up the breakdown of food. Okay, food is broken into energy, like this glucose, which is food, is broken up into energy in the presence of oxygen. So food is consumed, more food is consumed. So after exercising, we feel hungry because that food which is stored inside is then used up by our body when we are exercising. Okay, so this is respiration in animals part one. In the next part, we will see how actually we breathe. What is the process? Where from the nose onwards and goes down, and the entire process we will see in the next video.